For many homeowners in Rockford, Illinois, keeping a home comfortable and efficient year-round can be a challenge. With frigid winters, humid summers, and everything in between, windows play a crucial role in maintaining indoor comfort and energy savings. That's why more Rockford residents are turning to quality replacement windows, a home upgrade that delivers long-term value, style, and performance. New, high-quality windows do much more than enhance your home's appearance. They can lower energy costs, reduce maintenance needs, and increase property value, making them one of the smartest investments a homeowner can make. Here's why quality matters when it comes to replacement windows and why Rockford homeowners are making the switch. Energy efficiency for Rockford's climate. Rockford experiences wide temperature swings throughout the year, from icy winters to warm, humid summers. Older or poorly sealed windows often allow drafts, leading to uncomfortable rooms and rising energy bills. Quality replacement windows are designed with superior materials and insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures no matter the season. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills work together to reduce heat transfer and eliminate cold spots. During the winter, these features keep warmth inside your home, while in the summer, they block out excessive heat. The result is consistent indoor comfort and lower heating and cooling costs, something every Rockford homeowner can appreciate. Enhanced home comfort and quiet living. In addition to improving temperature control, modern replacement windows help reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. The insulated glass and airtight seals act as sound barriers, minimizing outside disturbances from traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity. Homeowners also notice fewer drafts and less condensation, meaning rooms stay comfortable and dry even during cold Rockford winters. This improved comfort makes your home more enjoyable while reducing stress on your HVAC system. Long-term durability and low-maintenance high-quality replacement windows are built to last. Unlike older wooden frames that warp, peel, or rot over time, modern materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite are resistant to moisture, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations. These durable materials require little to no maintenance, no sanding, repainting, or sealing. A simple cleaning with soap and water keeps them looking like new. For Rockford homeowners who want reliability without constant upkeep, quality windows provide long-term performance and protection against the elements. Increased curb appeal and property value. Your windows are one of the most noticeable features of your home. Replacing outdated or worn windows instantly improves curb appeal, giving your home a cleaner, more polished look. Quality replacement windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize them to fit your home's architecture. Whether you prefer traditional double-hung windows or sleek casement styles, modern options enhance your home's character while improving functionality. Beyond aesthetics, investing in high-quality windows also increases your home's resale value. Buyers in the Rockford area look for homes with energy-efficient upgrades, making your property more attractive in the competitive housing market. Better protection against the elements. Illinois weather can be unpredictable, with heavy rain, snow, and strong winds. Poorly installed or low-quality windows can allow water and air to seep in, leading to structural damage over time. Quality replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing systems and weather-resistant materials that protect your home from moisture and air infiltration. They also help prevent mold and mildew growth, ensuring your home stays safe, dry, and healthy throughout every season. Professional installation for maximum performance. Even the best windows won't perform well without proper installation. Professional installers ensure your new windows fit perfectly, creating airtight seals and proper alignment for long-term performance. Local Rockford installation experts understand the region's climate and construction styles, ensuring each window is installed to withstand the local weather conditions while optimizing efficiency. Professional installation also ensures your warranty remains valid, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Investing in quality replacement windows isn't just about aesthetics. It's about long-term savings, comfort, and protection. With today's advanced materials and expert installation, new windows can make your home more energy efficient, quieter, and more valuable, while reducing maintenance and energy costs for years to come. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to operate, now is the perfect time to upgrade. By choosing high-quality replacement windows and professional installation, you'll enjoy a home that's beautiful, comfortable, and built to handle Rockford's ever-changing climate with ease.